Okay, how did you find this location?
That takes us to
Please, would you tell me about the
knowledge about public speaking, because we also get to international conferences.
This is my last question. What is the importance of confidence or knowledge, according to you?
Oh,
Confidence
I think
or knowledge?
I think you with knowledge you get confidence, right?
Yes.
If you can speak English.
Okay, thank you so much. And please subscribe our channel, Speak Nice English Academy.
Yeah, please subscribe
Our channel,
our channel.
Speak Nice
Speak Nice
English Academy.
English Academy.
You're most welcome to Speak Nice English Academy, and today we have come Rishikesh for the visiting. So these are foreigners. May I ask you the question to them? Actually, first of all, I ask you the question, what is the importance of learning English? And after that, ask you the question to them. Everyone stay here on the channel, and after that, what is the experience after coming in India, and how did life in India? So please, to everyone, would you listen proper?
Yeah, hi, we are Mary and Anna. We're from Germany, and it's our second day here in India, and our first time. Yeah.
You're most welcome in India. And after coming here, how did you like in India?
We love it. So it's really beautiful, and we are now just walking around, having a view, and yeah, it's really beautiful. We like it a lot. And for your question, for us it's really important to speak and learn English, so that we also can get to know your culture and a little bit understand how you live. And yeah, so that we can get in contact.
Yeah. Okay. How did you find this location?
We have a guide,
Okay.
that takes us to this place, and yeah, it's his recommendation.
Okay.
So that yeah.
Okay. What is the most important location in India according to you? Total how many visited?
It's our first one today
This is the
here.
first
So
one.
we just arrived yesterday in Delhi with the at the airport, and this is our first stop.
Okay.
Yes, may I ask you the question only? This is the last question. Please, would you tell me about the public speaking? Do you know about the public speaking? Do you have knowledge? Some knowledge public speaking?
We have some knowledge about public speaking, because we also get to international conferences, and to share knowledge worldwide. It's important that you can speak English, research results. So to connect to every country and to get the knowledge together, it's very important.
Okay, thank you. This is a beautiful answer. Okay, this is my last question. What is the importance of confidence or knowledge, according to you?
Oh,
Confidence
I think
or knowledge?
I think you with knowledge you get confidence, right?
Yes.
If you can speak out your thoughts clearly to someone else, and that the other person can understand it, then you get confidence, because you interact better.
Yes. Okay. So how can I interact? Actually, this is a channel, Speak Nice English Academy, and I teach to the students. So please, would you a message if students have knowledge but they don't have confidence? So how can I boost our confidence? Please, would you give the message? One message only.
So I think you should start, because even if you think you can't speak proper English, other people can understand you, and you can ask questions and interact, and just by speaking and developing, you can get more confidence. So start speaking English.
Okay, thank you so much. And please subscribe our channel, Speak Nice English Academy.
Yeah, please subscribe
Our channel,
our channel.
Speak Nice
Speak Nice
English Academy.
English Academy.
Thank you so much.
Thumbs up, please.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Okay, thank you.